Now this question is related to application of time and work. It is called pipes and cisterns. So before going to the discussion of this question, you have to know one key point. It is, what is that key point? A can fill a tank in X hours, B can fill a tank in Y hours. If these two pipes are opened simultaneously, means at the same time, how much time takes to fill the tank means you have to apply the shortcut X into Y by X plus Y. A can fill a tank in X hours, B can fill it in Y hours. If these two pipes are open at the same time, how much time takes to fill the tank now? X into Y by X plus Y hours it is. So how can you get that shortcut? In the bracket it is given clearly. So A plus B is, what is the part filled in 1 hour? 1 by X plus 1 by Y. Simplification of that to get X plus Y by XY. That is the part filled in 1 hour. What is the total tank is to be filled? Reverse of the fraction. So X into Y by X plus Y. Always together means you have to apply the shortcut X into Y by X plus Y it is. So that you have to apply in the last for this question. It is, that is, this point you have to put in your mind. A can fill a tank in X hours, B can fill it in Y hours. Then A and B together can fill the tank in how much time it is? X into Y by X plus Y it is. Clear? Now read our question now. What is our question? Two pipes which can fill an empty tank in 12 hours and 15 hours was opened at 6 am and 9 am respectively on a certain day. A leak situated at 1/4 of the height of the tank that can empty the tank in 20 hours was observed to be open at 2 pm and was immediately plugged. At what time would the tank be full? That is the question. So by observing the keynotes, there are two pipes it is. Let it be the two pipes A and B. Their capacities is given clearly, 12 hours and 15 hours it is. Now let it be pipe A opens first at 6 am, pipe A opens at 6 am, and let it be pipe B opens at 9 am it is. Now pipe A alone works for how much period? It is 3 hours, 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, it is 3 hours. So what is the part filled in 1 minute? 1 by 12. A pipe capacity, pipe A capacity is 12 hours. So 1 hour part is 1 by 12. So 3 hours part is 3 by 12. 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 3 hours. So 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means 1/4 of the tank is to be filled up to 9 o'clock. So here in the data it is given at 1/4 of the height of the tank, a leakage is observed. A leakage is observed means a leakage is there. Now at 9 o'clock B also opens, second pipe B also opens. Now at 9 o'clock, from 9 o'clock what happens here? A is working, B is working, leakage is also there. When it is observed the leakage is there? At 2 pm. It is observed at 2 pm leakage is there. But up to 2 o'clock A, B and leakage is working together. From 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock means 5 hours they work together. So how much a part is to be filled in that 5 hours now? 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock, how much a part is to be filled? What is the part filled in 1 hour? 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. Leakage means minus you have to take here. Pipe A 1 by 12, pipe B 1 by 15, leakage is 1 by 20. So what is the part filled in 1 hour now? 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. But 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock means 5 hours, they work together for 5 hours. So how much a part is to be filled in 5 hours? So 5 into you have to take, 5 into 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 minus 1 by 20. So if we simplify that, how much value you got? 1 by 2. So half of the tank is to be filled. So 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock, how much a tank is to be filled? Half of the tank is to be filled. Now 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 1/4 of the tank is to be filled. 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 1/4 tank is to be filled. 9 o'clock to 2 o'clock, half of the tank is to be filled. So up to 2 o'clock, what is the total tank is to be filled now? 1/4 plus half, it is 3/4 tank is to be filled. But at 2 o'clock what happened? The leakage is to be plugged, means it is to be closed. So the leakage closed means the remaining part of the tank is to be filled by only A and B together. A and B together. A and B together works. The total tank is to be filled in how much time? You have to apply the shortcut. So x into y by x plus y. So their capacities are 12 and 15. So 12 into 15 by 12 plus 15. Total tank. But only how much tank is there? Only 1/4 of the tank is there. Already 3/4 the tank is to be filled. The remaining tank is to be filled by A and B together. What is the remaining tank? It is 1/4. So 1/4 of the time takes. So 12 into 15 by 12 plus 15, that is the total tank to be filled in how much time? Into 1/4. So how much that value? If you simplify, you get 5/3 hours. 5/3 means 1 2/3 hours. 1 2/3 hours means 1 hour 2/3 convert into minutes. How can you convert into minutes? Into 60. 2/3 into 60. 2/3 into 60, 320 gets cancelled. 20 into 2 40. So 1 hour 40 minutes it is. So after 2 o'clock, so in how much time the tank is to be filled? 1 hour 40 minutes. Now at what time the tank is to be filled now? 2 plus 140. 1 hour 40 minutes. So 340. So at what time the tank is to be filled now? 3 hours 40 minutes it is. 3 p.m. 40 minutes. 3:40. Understood? Thank you.